This dark blue EASTROCK B flat trumpet combines a classic brass build with modern design touches to deliver a bright yet full tone that suits concert band and jazz settings alike. The instrument feels solid in the hands, with a responsive blow and warm core sound that help beginners produce a stable tone without fighting the horn. Its medium bore and generously sized bell support a rich, projecting sound that carries well in ensembles while still allowing good control for softer passages. The valves move smoothly with quick rebound and reliable sealing, and the adjustable first and third slide setups make tuning and hand position comfortable for developing players. The included hard case, mouthpiece, gloves, and cleaning accessories form a complete starter package, so a new player can walk into rehearsal fully equipped. Overall, this EASTROCK B flat trumpet offers an appealing mix of eye-catching finish, dependable mechanics, and student-friendly playability that encourages steady musical progress.